Susi and friends, my name Figo DS. My student ID number is 21M10045. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you all my favorite food and how to cook it. My favorite food is omelette noodles. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you all how to cook omelette noodles. Usually, I eat omelette noodles in burjo, but right now in my home, I'm gonna cook it to show you all how to cook omelette noodles. So let's get to the cooking lesson. Yes, yes. Okay, the ingredients was eggs, butter, and 1 packet of noodle. And then prepare the pan. Fill up the saucepan with water. Next, turn on the stove and wait until the water was boiling. Next, pour the noodle seasoning. After that, also pour the noodle oil and the chili sauce and soy sauce. And then add the noodles to the boiling water and stir it. Once the noodle cook, turn off the stove and drain the noodles. Drain the noodles until the noodles looks dry. Next, after the noodles looking dry, pour the noodles into the plate and mix the noodle with the seasoning sauce like soy sauce, chili sauce, and the oil noodle. Stir the noodle until equally. After that, crack the egg and pour it into the noodle. Next, stir the noodle with the egg until it looks equally and looks good. After that, turn on the stove and then take the butter and pour the butter into the pan. In this case, you also can use oil, but I prefer to use butter. Next, add the omelette mixture. Cook for 3 minutes without stirring. After 3 minutes, stir it little bit. This step is up to you, but for me it's delicious to eat omelette noodles with rice. Ta-da! Finally, serve your omelette mixture into your rice plate. Okay, so that was the lesson how to cook omelette noodles. Hope you all can cook and make the omelette noodles after watching this video. So there is it. See you next time. Goodbye. See you.